Hi, welcome to Plus Promotions. My name is Dylan. Today I'm going to be discussing Google reviews and how best to use them. This idea or concept actually came from an interaction with a client. This client in question runs a restaurant. They have over like 575 reviews on Google, their Google business listing, and their score is 4.9 out of 5. Now they run a restaurant and a brewery, and I was like, how do you get such a high rating? How do you get so many reviews? He said that they don't prompt their clients to actually review. What they do is instead is if they get a review, they'll have a team meeting afterwards discussing how they could improve based on the review. So at the end of the week, they'll have a team meeting, they'll sit down, they'll discuss the reviews of the previous week, and they'll see how they can possibly make adjustments to actually improve the service that they're offering, to improve the reviews that they are getting. This I thought was a great idea, and you know, there is proof to the efficacy of this idea. They're with their 575 reviews and 4.9 out of 5 stars. It's a phenomenally high score. It will help with SEO. It will help with, confirming in people's minds how good the actual brand is. It's a great way to deal with the reviews, and it's a positive way to. Reviews can be difficult because you're exposing yourself to realistically problematic customers. We all have them in any business that you're in. You're going to have customers that are difficult and customers that leave you with unfair negative reviews. But if you actually look at it in the cold light of day and you review the processes that have allowed that customer to become involved with the business, or B, what the actual negative experience that specific customer has had with the business, then you can take action to try to improve your business or improve the clients that you are choosing and the channels that you're choosing to get those clients from. So I thought it was a great idea. After the end of every week, have a look at the reviews that you are getting. Ask yourself some questions. Why did the client feel that way? What can we do to improve procedures so that we don't end up with clients who feel that way going forward? Use it as a self-improvement tool, use it as a time to self-reflect and to improve the processes and the team that you currently have. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please share and subscribe, or send me a question in the comment box below. My name is Dylan Holland and my company is Plus Promotions.